Mention barbecue food and curry doesn't immediately spring to mind. But for why ever not? The barbecue is indeed a versatile piece of kit. With the right accessories, there isn't much that cannot be cooked on the barbecue. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and to my subscribers, nice to have you back. Now today on my Weber Q, with the aid of my Paella pan, I'm cooking a chicken korma. And the beauty of this recipe, it takes just 25 minutes to cook. With the barbecue fired up, my Paella pan in position, to which I'm adding a glug of oil, about 2 tablespoons. Close the lid and let it warm up. To the hot pan, I'm adding a diced onion. A quick stir to make sure it's all coated. Close the lid and turn the heat right down. I just want to sweat the onions until softened. That's the beauty of a gas grill. You can turn the heat up or down as the recipe requires. There are those who say that a curry is not authentic unless the spices have been expertly blended, ground in a mortar and pestle, some dry roasted to bring out the oils and the flavour, and then simmered gently to cook the meat, fish or vegetables. Well, if that's the criteria, this may not be authentic. However, there is just one thing about this curry that is authentic, and that's the flavour. And it's all down to the paste in this little jar. Much of that prep work has been done for me, so all I've got to do is get on and cook it. The onion is softened nicely, so I'm adding some finely chopped ginger from a piece about 2 centimetres. Turn the heat back to high and add half a jar of curry paste. Make sure there's none left in the jar. Got a little bit more, and that is it. Give it a stir to mix in. Sizzle to release the flavour and cook for 2 minutes. Now a splash of water, about 50 ml. Stir and cook until all of the water has evaporated. Here are 2 chicken breast fillets cut into bite-sized pieces. Give it a stir to coat and then sear the chicken. Next, a can of coconut milk. I'm going to give it a good shake to make sure it hasn't solidified and separated in the can. This ring pull's quite stiff. Ah, got it. You need to use the whole can of this lovely coconut milk. Stir to mix and just watch it change colour. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir again. Turn the heat down and let it simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the meat is cooked. Whilst that's simmering away, I'll just take a moment to tell you about what's coming up soon on this channel. On my Weber Q, I'll be cooking mouth-watering coffee rub steak, juicy pork and apple burgers, spatchcock chicken, and some very different accompaniments. I know you won't want to miss them, so please subscribe to my channel. Just click the button and the bell. And if there's anything you want to know about cooking on the Weber Q3200, please ask your question in the comments box below. So back to the curry. Finish with a ripple of double cream, about 150 ml. And stir to mix. I really wished you could smell the aroma coming from this pan. And now for the accompaniment. Part cooked naan bread. Splash it with water and slap it on the grill. Keep your eye on it, as it will burn very easily. I've got a pack of pre-cooked rice, which could go into the microwave for 2 minutes and be served separately. But my friends, this is a one-pan dish. So just mix it in, break up any lumps and cook it for about 3 minutes. From start to finish, including the prep in the kitchen, this dish took less than 25 minutes to make. With a sprinkling of chopped coriander, that's one delicious chicken korma with naan bread and basmati rice. As the aroma drifts over the neighbourhood, it's time to enjoy this delicious curry, soaking up all that lovely sauce with naan bread. On a warm summer evening, what could be more enjoyable than this delicious alfresco meal and a nice cold beer? Cheers! Well, that's all for now. So from me, the dude of the food, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.